Hello, how are you? So I've been playing around with ChatGPT using the REST APIs, and they just released a new piece where you can do an interactive chat session similar to how the website does. So I just wanted to capture where it is, where I have it at the moment. Clearly lots of directions this thing can take. So you can start it out by just typing ChatGPT, or you can give it a theme like you're an expert in PowerShell. So let's start out with no theme and see what we come up with. Type in today is a great day to be alive. Awesome. Then you get a little menu. You can do another question, new chat, run, save, clear screen, or quit. Run and save are not implemented yet. If you just press enter, you get to ask another question. And tomorrow, and that's fine. Let's try to be or an or. Let's see if we can come up. That is the question. Who wrote that? Oops. Ask the question. Who wrote that? So that's showing you the context and memory for this particular API. So let's clear the screen. And what I want to do is do a new chat and say that you are a PowerShell expert. And what do I want to know? Write hello world. Great. Ask another question, so I can press enter or press A. What else do I want to know? Put it in a function. And let's see what it comes up with. Cool. Clear the screen. Ask another question. Let's say add a parameter for, let's just say world. Trying to do it like as short a piece of information as possible, see if it understands how much context it understands. So there you go. I can actually parameterize that now. Pretty cool. Clear the screen again. Ask another question. Add comment-based help. So what's cool is this is actually remembering, using this API and doing some tricks with it. I shouldn't say tricks, by following the pattern. It's now understanding memory and context. So now it's taking that same Hello World app, keeps everything, and it's actually embedding, inlining comment-based help. Looks great. Clear the screen, ask a question, add a pester test. And let's see what it does. Now I'm going to probably take out the slow typing, or at least put a parameter in that says just give me the results. Anyway, so it comes back, it gives the inline help, it gives the hello world, looking really good. And now here you can see it does a pester test at the end. And it tests both pieces, and you can see it uses should-be. And that is the new syntax for pester instead of the older syntax. So let's clear the screen and let's do a new context. You are a bash expert. So now we're going to get rid of that old conversation, that conversation we just had. It's not old. And we're going to say the theme now is a bash expert. So now we can ask questions like how to list the current directory. If I was in the old context or the old theme and think I was in PowerShell, it would let me see how to do it that way. Awesome. Let's clear the screen, ask a question, find text in files. So that's a little bit different in PowerShell. That would use select string, But if I'm in Bash, find text in files, I can do a grep search for file in files, or grep example star. So now you can see how that works. Let's do a new chat and say you are an expert in .NET. Right, hello world. So I'm just telling it's a .NET expert. It could choose F#, could choose C#, and it chooses C#. And yep, creates a class and a static, and it does a console write. Clear the screen, ask the question, convert. Let's try the word port to PowerShell. So we're going to port that C# app, or it's going to just do it. Takes the context and says, oh, you just want to print it. So this is where I am now. You can grab this from the GitHub repo, the PowerShellAI repo, under my dfinke, D-F-I-N-K-E GitHub account, and it's in the branch called, I don't know what I called it. It's the only other branch besides the main branch. All right, thanks. Talk to you soon.